Wes Lee here with the first Mesonet Weather Report for 2019. One of the biggest complaints of agriculture producers recently has been how difficult it is to feed cattle and perform field operations with the muddy field conditions. The 2018 total rainfall map shows the normal expected decline in rainfall from the east to the west. Broken Bow had the most with 73 inches and Kenton the least with just over 15 inches. With the exception of the southeastern quadrant, the rest of the state was mostly within 5 inches of normal for the year. There is a true weather saying in agriculture that it is not how much rain you get, but when you get it that really counts. If we look at the 2018 statewide rainfall, shown here represented with the red line, and compare it to the long-term average shown by the blue fill area, we see that the second half of the year was definitely much wetter than the first half. Looking at our current shallow soil moisture readings for percent plant available water, we see that the entire state is shown in green. A vast majority of the sites are indicating at or near 100% storage capacity. Deeper soil moisture sensors show a very similar trend. I don't see anything in the forecast that indicates these wet conditions will get any better anytime soon. A high probability of rainfall is forecasted before the end of this week, and next week the precipitation probability of higher than normal is predicted. Next up is Gary with more recent rainfall information and a great drought situation.
Thanks, Wes, and good morning, everyone. Well, I have great news to start out the new year here on Sun Up on the Mesonet Weather Report. Oftentimes, we're in short supply of that when dealing with weather in Oklahoma, so let's get straight to the new Drought Monitor report and let's celebrate. As you can see on the Drought Monitor, we have no yellow or any other color on the state map, so for the first time since June 14th of 2016, we are completely devoid of either abnormally dry conditions or drought conditions, and that is indeed something to celebrate. So what led to our good-looking drought map? Well, it's been those wonderful storm systems we had during December. If we look at the Oklahoma Mesonet rainfall totals, this is from December 1st, the official beginning of climatological or meteorological winter. We do see down in the southeastern parts of the state more than 10 inches of rain, and that decreases as we go to the northwest to less than an inch in parts of the northwest. But if we look at that from the departure from normal rainfall map since December 1st, we see most of the state once again with the surplus of at least an inch or two, some areas more, some areas a little less. The only deficits we see are up in far northwestern Oklahoma, Harper, Ellis, Beaver County, that area, and also the western Oklahoma Panhandle. Now, luckily, those areas of the state have seen rainfall prior to that December 1st period that helped them out. So everybody has gotten a good dose of moisture. Hopefully, it'll stick around a while. Well, the good news is we are in the depths of winter, so we don't see the moisture demands that we will in a couple of months as we start to warm up. So hopefully we can keep drought at bay and maybe get a little bit more moisture and look good for spring. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.